Hi guys, welcome back. I'm popping on today to do my third spread for Journals for Life for April 2022. I have this gorgeous traveler's notebook kit that is called Botany, and it's full of all kinds of earthy things and butterflies and little froggies and all of that cute stuff. So like I said, this is my third spread, and I've got this cute photo of my youngest. She was out in very early spring, I believe, and she is out doing some hammocking. It's a few years ago, and I thought it was super cute. Now, the reason it kept popping into my eye is these colors of these little stickers I thought I could work with to bring the blue color to the other side of the page. I can also use possibly this die cut that reads the most memorable days and with the dirtiest clothes because she is out in nature. So yeah, I just got to figure out how I want to pull this together. Now, I do have two full-size, TN size, I should say, sheets left to play with, as well as this really great, looks like textured navy blue. So I'm going to do something with some of my pattern papers because I love pattern with pattern, and then get a bit more of an idea, like seriously, where I want to go with this. I just know I want to use these goodies. So I'm going to play around for a second. I'll be right back. So I decided I wanted to really bring in this orange because my daughter's wearing blue. I love blue and orange kind of playing off of each other. So I went ahead and tore a piece of our paper, and then I saw these cute little blackbirds. I think I'm going to have them go on the angle and have the photo come out like so. Okay, great. So I have a little something going on there. I used one of my scallop punches and punched the same orange over here. I thought that would be fun to have things kind of coming across. That's bringing in the same green. Now, this has this brown, and it really works for this layout. The dealio is, though, I need something else with a brownish tone. Oh, look at the little hearts. I found it. I've got these adorable little hearts that I can play with. Where's the third? I have three. I do have three. Here it is. So I've got these cute little hearts, and that can bring in that brownish tone. Bravo. Okay, I've got that going on. This is kind of the vibe of the layout. Let me get these pieces on and I'll be right back. So I popped all of the pieces on, used our cute little stamp to do these tags I had in my stash. And I think the only other thing I'm going to do is maybe sprinkle some sequins around. So world's quickest layout spread, but it came together nicely. I got to use these bright punches of colors. I still have some fun die cuts to use, so I will keep playing along. And what else to tell you? Okay, I'm gonna have still shots in a second, and I will have links to the website and the Facebook group right down below in the Deedly hopper down there. Okay, that's all for now, friends.